All right. Good morning, people. This is my chart breakdown for the day. The Aussie versus the dollar. I have two charts, so I'm gonna just break it down from the daily. On the daily, you can see here at all of these lower highs, not really real retraces, small retraces. So the market, you can expect to go back to one of these levels so that it could sell off. You can see here, based off the daily line, all of these wicks showing exhaustion of price, followed by today's candle. If we go into the 4 hour, you can see that basically at 0.7200, 72,200 right here, the market found some resistance, and ever since then has been breaking smaller levels of support. So here's where we went from a higher high to a lower low, giving us that break of structure. Then we had a retest for our first lower high. Ever since then, the market has been respecting 0.72178, this area median resistance. And yesterday during European session, we got that push downwards. Now this is just my structure chart. If we get onto my technical chart over here, you can see for the uptrend, there was this 4 hour support right here. Four-hour support that is now about to turn into resistance. My hourly chart. I have my notes on here. I'm trying to figure out a way to put the notes on here, basically, and give me more space so I could show you guys more. So when I break things down to the hourly, over here you could see this is where we went from a higher high to a lower low, and we had this retrace of 61.8 to form a lower high around 0.72150. After that we got a lower low, but this was the first point of resistance, and like I said, since on that downtrend we never got our first lower high. Right now we can expect for the market to sell off. It's been very choppy, just large upswings, which are just opportunities at the end of the day. Yeah, so last night, if you break it down to what happened yesterday, we were at a point of resistance, like I said, based off over here. Like I said, median resistance, where we retrace all the way up, and we on the lower time frames, you can see this is just a wick, so price didn't even stay here for too long. Wicked up, came right back down, and you can see the momentum shifted back in our favor here after that move. Then we came up and we made up another lower high over here, followed by a lower low. After this, we're waiting to see what's going to happen, only for the market to come back and test the same point of resistance and fall again. Price is on the 200-day moving average, on the 4 hour and 1 hour, so I want to see how this is going to affect the market. But structure first. With this break, you could see momentum probably take over and see if we can continue our trend until we reach the main target, which I have at 713530. This zone. This is the first take profit for this trend right here. I could even break this down to the 15. Perfect for you is where all my notes make the most sense. But you can see that it's very choppy here. So yesterday we came back up. After this lower low, we came back up to get some more sellers by going up to this point of resistance where it nearly just teed off on the second time. And momentum shifted. All the moving averages crossed. Price is underneath all of them. So for today I have a plan where I'm gonna see which level, which PRZ level the market is gonna respect. Right now it looks like it's respecting the 38.2, which is also around yesterday's low right here. So there's some confluence right here. With that being said, we'll see what happens with this point today. If it's respected, you definitely could see that push into that zone I'm talking about over here. Or the market can push up to over 61.8 and then come back down. Or 78.6. The possibilities are endless. It looks right now that the market is respecting that 38.2. I'm looking to add some more positions, but for the most part, that's my analysis for the day on this pair, and I hope you guys found this useful, and I hope you have the best luck in your trading.